Hi everyone, welcome to Forensic Science India YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about the paper 2 of UGC-NET JRF Exam, particularly Forensic Science. The code for Forensic Science is 82. So let's come to the syllabus of this exam. The syllabus of the paper 2 has 10 units. So let me go through the units first. Unit 1 is on General Forensic Science. Here the various aspects of forensic science like the history and development, scope, the different ethics related to the field, the types of physical evidences, the different search methods and collection methods of the evidences, along with the preservation techniques, that how the evidences will be preserved, like it is different for blood or saliva or fingerprint. So the preservation methods, the packing and forwarding of the evidences. The various questions related to all these topics are asked. Okay, and also about crime scene, the various types of crime scenes, the nature of crime scenes, and how it is preserved. And to highlight the other point, like about the various codes and provisions. Yeah, this is an important point, that is the Indian Evidence Act. Many questions related to this act comes either directly or indirectly in the form of passage. The last 10 questions, the various laws are asked, the various acts are also asked. The unit 2 is about the various instrumental techniques, like the various type of microscopes, the make and model of the microscopes, and what are the various parts, or what is the mechanism of the microscope is also asked. Spectrophotometry, which has UV, visible, IR, Raman, and atomic absorption emission. Neutron activation analysis, NAA, and various X-ray based techniques like XRD, XRF. The mass spectroscopy, chromatographic techniques like TLC, GLC, HPLC, HPTLC, and also a combination of the techniques which is called the hyphenated techniques like GCMS, LCMS, IRMS, and ICPMS. Also, parts of electrophoresis and various immunoassays are also included in this unit. So I'll be discussing about the various topics which are included in the syllabus in my further videos. In this video, I'll just go over and give a brief idea. Unit 3 has forensic biology and forensic serology. Here, the detection and identification methods of various serological evidences like blood, semen, saliva, urine, etc. are asked. Mainly, these are very important few topics. Okay, like the testing, the preliminary and the confirmatory test. These are asked in almost every paper. And also DNA, about the various protein markers like STR, VNTR. These are important. Unit 4 is about forensic chemistry and forensic toxicology. In forensic chemistry part, the analysis of ethanol, methanol, and the chemical analysis of the trape cases are generally asked. Apart from this, in forensic toxicology, the various pesticides, insecticides, and you can say the various type of poisons, okay, and their antidotes and how it is administered and how it is metabolized in the body can also be asked. Plant poisons, metallic poisons are also included, and you can also include the NDPS, that is narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, the various types of the drugs, and also how they are tested, both the preliminary and confirmatory methods. And lastly, extraction, isolation, and cleanup procedures, identification of common poisons from viscera, tissues, and body fluids. These are also included. Unit 5 is basically forensic ballistics, but a small part of tool marks is also there. Here the history of firearms, and how the development occurred from matchlock, flintlock to modern rifles are asked. Okay, and the concept of velocity, penetration, dispersion, ricochet, accidental discharge, determination of range are asked. Unit 6 is on forensic, is a mixed basically of forensic chemistry, forensic and photography also. Okay, here the various terms related to arson cases and also the IPC. Even this in June 2020 it was asked. Unit 7 has parts of forensic biology, forensic physics and computer forensics and mobile phone forensics as well. So here not majority of the question does not come, but a few questions like 6 to 7 questions usually you can find in the paper. Unit 8 has 4 different subtypes, you can say: fingerprints, track marks, biometric systems and voice analysis. From here the fingerprint, various methods of lifting, okay, and examination are asked, and sometimes terms related to voice analysis like the modulation, the pitch or the human voice apparatus, terms related to this are asked. Unit 9 is on question documents, so you can expect 10 to 12 questions from this unit itself. It is a very vast unit, so you need to cover each and every portion. Unit 10 is on forensic medicine and a small subunit on forensic and terminology as well. Here the various, even in this unit the various terms and terminologies are very important. Okay, the terms related to postmortem, autopsy are important, and various sexual offenses, both natural and unnatural, are important. And you can also find a part of forensic anthropology here as well, like determination of species of origin, sex, age, stature and individual identification through skeletal remains and skull superimposition and facial reconstruction, human dentition, type of teeth, determination of age, bite marks. This part is very important. I might say this unit itself is very important. You can always find 12 to 14 questions from this unit. Okay, so this is very important part, you can't skip this. So this was a brief introduction to the paper 2 forensic science of UGC-NET JRF exam. So I'll be coming with various topics related to forensic science in my upcoming videos, so stay connected to this channel. Please subscribe to the channel. You can join our Telegram family. You can search Forensic Science India over there, you'll easily find it. So hope you liked the video. Thank you.